Data is everywhere, but who's in control of it all? In today's world, data is generated at an unprecedented rate. Every action we take online, every device we use contributes to this ever-growing pool of information. Think about the vast universe. Stars, planets, galaxies spread across unimaginable distances. Just like the universe, our data is vast and seemingly infinite. Now imagine your data like stars scattered across the digital cosmos. Each piece of data, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the bigger picture. Each click, each purchase, each message, a tiny spark of information. These sparks collectively form a massive network of data points, constantly interacting and evolving. In the old days, big companies built giant data centers like gravitational wells pulling in all that data. These centers were the heart of data storage, but they had their limitations. But what if there was a better way, a way that was more efficient, more flexible, and more in tune with the needs of the modern world? Distributed event stores are like a new set of rules for the data universe. They revolutionize how we think about data storage and management. They let us store data across many locations, not just one central point. This decentralization offers greater resilience and flexibility. Imagine a constellation of computers, each holding a piece of the puzzle. This is different. This is powerful. It allows for a more dynamic and responsive data ecosystem. This puts you in control. With distributed event stores, you have the power to manage your data more effectively, ensuring it is always available when and where you need it. Data sovereignty is a fancy way of saying you're really the captain of your data spaceship. Imagine navigating through the vast expanse of the digital universe with you at the helm, making all the critical decisions. You decide where it goes, who sees it, and how it's used. Every bit of data is like a star in your galaxy, and you have the power to control its journey. In a centralized system, you're handing over the controls. It's like giving the keys to your spaceship to someone else, trusting them to navigate safely. With distributed systems, you get to set the course. You chart the path, ensuring your data reaches its destination securely and efficiently. Think about your health data. It's incredibly personal and sensitive. Wouldn't you rather it be scattered across a network you control instead of sitting on some company's server? This way you ensure its safety and privacy. Data sovereignty is about trust, security, and freedom. It's about knowing your data is protected and used according to your rules. It's about time we, the users, took back control of our digital lives. Embrace the power of sovereignty and become the true captain of your data. Conduit Network is changing how people can own and control their data. Imagine a map, not of physical locations, but of your data across the distributed universe. This map doesn't show streets or buildings, but rather the intricate pathways your data travels through, from one server to another, across the globe. That's what Conduit Network is building. A comprehensive, dynamic map that tracks your digital footprint in real time, ensuring you always know where your data resides and how it's being used. Think of the global data registry as a universal translator for your data. It deciphers the complex languages of different databases and systems, making it easier for you to access and understand your information. It helps you find the pieces, no matter where they are stored. Whether your data is in a cloud server in Europe or a local database in Asia, the global data registry ensures you can retrieve it seamlessly. Conduit uses clever tools like database drivers and conditional writes to make sure your data is always safe and consistent. These tools act as guardians, constantly monitoring and managing your data to prevent any loss or corruption. It's like having a team of expert navigators working behind the scenes. These digital navigators ensure that your data travels the safest and most efficient routes, avoiding any potential hazards along the way. And with node-aware APIs, it's easy for developers to build amazing new applications that respect your data sovereignty. These APIs are designed to be aware of the data's location and the rules governing it, ensuring compliance and security. We are on the cusp of a new era in data management, an era where users are empowered, not exploited, where data flows freely and securely. Conduit Network, with its distributed event stores that enable data sovereignty, becomes the foundations upon which 10xTS builds next-generation real-world asset tokenization solutions. By using these kinds of technologies, 10xTS delivers solutions that ensure asset information remains sovereign and secure, only allowing access by those who are authorized by the owner. The future is distributed, the future is sovereign, the future is now. Talk to 10XTS about your real-world tokenization vision, and together we'll be part of the data revolution.